do you want to show them first, girl? So this is Dakota'S room. And she has her kitchen that she's had. Tell them what you do in your kitchen. You cook? What do you cook in your kitchen? You cook everything? Okay, we'll show them the food in a second. So let's show them your books. This bookshelf I ordered online from Amazon, and most of these books did come from Amazon. I'll link them down below. Some of them were gifts. We have lots of educational books, and then I have lots of books with little girls who look like her to make sure she knows that she is special, because it's a lot going on in the world, y'all, and I need her to know she is the bomb.com. So which one is your favorite book, Cole? Brown Bear, Brown Bear. Yeah, she knows. She can read this one. She can't read, but she knows the words. This is like a super easy book for kids to catch on to make them think they're reading. So, and then next to your bookshelf, what do you have?
My chalkboard.
Yep, we have your chalkboard.
Alright.
Yep, so she writes on her chalkboard. Can you draw the letter A for them? I'm gonna show them what we've been practicing, y'all. Sharp Academy is in full effect. Is it dried out? It's not right in. There we go. So we have A. What about letter O? And what about X? And so right up above this bookshelf here, full of all her books, I have a picture from her 2nd birthday. It matched the room, so I went ahead and made it a part of the decor. But what's next? So over here, what do you have over here? Oh, on the back of her chalkboard, she has this that she can pull down. It's actually for writing with pen or anything, pen, paper, anything, you know, it's paper. And then on the back is the chalkboard. And then I just got this little caddy out of Target that I have all of her materials stored in. So she has chalk, markers, her erasers, crayons, and things are over in that side over there. So on this side of the room, we have Dakota'S bed, which I absolutely love how this area came out. I showed you guys in the house tour, the empty house tour, how her room was split up. So this side is where all of her, it's kind of like her sleeping quarters back over here. So we have her ottoman that's at the foot of her bed, and it's just like a bunch of extra toys inside of here. I got this gorgeous rug online. I will link it down in the description box for you if you're interested in purchasing it. This was in her nursery. She still rocks on it from time to time, and it matched the room, so I didn't get rid of it. And then this bed was actually in our guest room at the other house. Because this house is a lot smaller than our last house, I wanted to go ahead and make this bed useful, because we did get a new one for our room, so our old bed is in the guest room. Another story. But so that's where this bed came from. It's a gray tufted bed, and then her bedding, gray and white polka dot bedding from Kate Spade. I actually found this in TJ Maxx. This throw at the end is actually for a college dorm, and I found this in where'd I get this from? Hobby Lobby. It was in there in like the college section. It's a extra long twin for college beds. I thought it would look good at the bottom of her bed with the mixed patterns that we have going on. So we have some stripes, some polka dots, we have the floral in her rug, and then we have the same mix and patterns up here. This is the pillow shams for the comforter, some striped sheets, and then she has floral Euro shams. And then, as I said before, her sheets are, well, that's her comforter she sleeps with, and then her sheets are striped as well. And I just really do love the mix on all the patterns in her room. I call it, the theme for her room was like beautiful disaster. So she has this cute pillow, which was Home Goods find. This pillow I actually found in Hobby Lobby. It's like a sequin leopard. I thought that would be a fun mix. This came from Target. It just says sparkle, and it's gray and gold in the front, and then it has the pink backing on this side, which is super fun. Then she has this table that was in her room at the last house. I just have a picture of her when she was in my belly when I was pregnant. And then she has D for Dakota, this candle holder, no candle in there yet. And then this is just a kind of like geometric heart back here. And then right above her nightstand on this side, I have these cute little wall animals from Target. I'll link those for you guys below if you are interested as well. We have a swan and then a bunny rabbit. On the other side of her bed over here, we have this little ottoman for her to help her get herself in and out the bed if she needs. This dresser was repurposed. It was in my craft room. You may have seen it from every now and then when I did a vlog in there. It used to be like a baby blue, but I took all the mirrors down, repainted it, and made it pink. And so on her nightstand, she just has my Bible from when I was a little girl. She has this, which was a christening gift. I think it came from Auntie Yana. She has this cute lamp that I found in Home Goods. It is super large and I just absolutely love it. She has this from her christening for this child I have prayed. This is her night light. At night we turn it on and it shines stars and moons all over her ceiling. Right above her nightstand are two pictures. One just has another Bible verse, and then on top of it, it says Babe Cave. So this is Dakota's sleeping quarters that she absolutely loves, and I'm so happy that she is sleeping in her bed now because she has definitely been with mom and dad. And then over here on this side we have Dakota's swing, which her dad has suspended from the ceiling for her. Have these cute little baskets because I wanted to give like an organic feel to this room. I didn't want it to be too glam or too modern, and so those baskets I just hung on the wall using single nails. Then her swing. Cody, you want to show them how you swing in your swing? So she loves this swing. She can sit in it, watch TV, hang out, and just look super duper cute. She's fallen asleep in it once or twice, but yeah, this is her little swing. Oh, you gonna fake sleep? All right, so that is Dakota's little fun side for sleeping and relaxing, hanging out. We also changed out the light fixtures in here. You probably saw those on the empty house tour. We added in this light here, and then this is her fan that her daddy installed for her. Then coming around this way, we have her kitchen, which she loves to cook in, and then next to her kitchen, so over here is where I have Dakota's toys organized. This is a bookshelf from IKEA. I have majority of her toys organized in here, which I'm going to do better once I get the rest of the house settled. This room is the first one that I got done because I really wanted her to have a fun space to hang out and feel more comfortable with this big move. So we have a lot of baby toys and things in here, miscellaneous type things. This is one of her learning bins, little things that we found. Get her to know all her ABCs. This is her kitchen supplies. This is miscellaneous Play-Doh, makeup, that type thing. This is her dress up bin with all of her little high heels and dresses. This is another learning bin full of all of the Target. I have everything in this bin that Target had during the school time in their, what's it called, the dollar spot. I have every single thing they had, materials from the flashcards, everything is in here. And right up above here, I have another super cute element in her room. I got these baskets. They're nice size, and so I just have a lot of her stuffed animals stored up here at the top of that. Right next to her toy section, so this is the fun side of the room. So right next to her toy section, her kitchen, her toy chest, organized toy chest, which I'm gonna probably organize some more and do a vlog on that because toy boxes just become an endless pit. So this is perfect for keeping everything organized, or her knowing when I say clean up to know where everything goes and know where to find it when she needs it. And so right next to her toy chest is her dresser and TV. I repurposed this dresser. It was also in my guest room. It was originally brown. I painted it black for the guest room. And then for Dakota, I figured instead of buying new furniture, I would just paint it a pretty pink, which is the same pink that I have over here on her nightstand. And then I changed the knobs out on it to the gold butterfly knobs that were in her original room in the other house, and it came out super cute. And then I just have this, her TV is above here, and then I just have this cute super sign from Hobby Lobby. My room was clean, but then I had to decide what to wear. She loves unicorns, so we got her this super cute globe. And then this was in her original nursery too. It's just some of her baby shoes inside of this little globe with flowers. She has her bookshelf. These books actually do her two bears that are up here. They read to her. So that's why these are separate from her other books. And then this is just a doll. For some reason, all of Dakota's dolls end up with their hair all over the place and naked, so I don't let her really play with this one. But I do have her sitting up here with a bear from like when she was little. That's my phone. And then a picture of her from when she was little. Look at my little snookums. Aww. But that is that corner over here. Then she also has her table to sit at. So this rug I actually purchased from Amazon. It comes in different colors, and I will link it down on the description box for you below. It's a fun way to play games with her, step on certain letters, and definitely helps her with learning her letters. So, Cole, I think your room tour is done, girl.
Thank you, Rocky.